Yo, what is going on, guys? It's about Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with a new video, and this one is kind of special because we are talking about a freshly launched campaign on Freedx exchange, fully licensed exchange, really cool one as well, and they have this $3.3 million campaign which we will talk about today. But overall, I also want to show you the exchange in itself, talk about it, you know, see how it works, how you can deposit, what kind of features they have, and all that good stuff. Before we start, guys, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. With that being said, we can dive right into it, guys. So first things first, let me give you a brief introduction of what Freedx is, and let me tell you a little bit about the launch itself. So Freedx is a centralized exchange that is built by leaders from top global platforms, applying years of trading experience to create a product that is focused on execution and on simplicity, guys. So the team of Freedx, they're obviously experienced. They combine all of these experienced professionals from crypto, finance, technology, all those industries, all those sectors. They're all passionate about what they do, and that's how they came the long way to work at Freedx. So they are fully committed to create a platform that, you know, that is good for the clients, that is good for the traders, with the whole freedom to manage your digital assets confidentially and efficiently. So that's basically what they want to do. And they are launching this big $3.3 million campaign, guys. This is also highly anticipated, and overall the whole exchange launch highly anticipated as well, as you can see. So it was all being talked about. They've been mentioned in Cointelegraph as well. So this is really cool, based in as you can see, UAE as well. So fully licensed. Yeah, that's definitely great to see. So moving on, we will be talking about the whole dashboard, right? Whole, you know, functionality and all of that. As you guys know, when I do show you exchanges, I want to show them the best I possibly can, so you know whether you want to trade on it or not. So yeah, let me give you the best possible experience here. So they do require KYC. That's first thing that I have to tell you, but that's something normal, and the KYC is also done through industry leading parties, so it's not like, you know, something, you know, usual. They have it handled pretty well, and the whole process is very easy and very user friendly, and it's kind of fast as well. So that's always something good, very seamless and nice. So when you log in to your account, when you make your account, when you do your KYC, that's what you will see. This is your dashboard, this is your wallet here, and essentially you can see your cryptocurrencies here. You can also see your fiat, you can deposit, withdraw, you can convert as well, which is cool because you don't need to, you know, go instantly to spot. You can just use the convert section, and it's very nice because it's fully instant and there are no additional fees for that, so that's great. You can send to other Freedx user, which is a function that I really like, and you have your own QR code. If you want somebody to send you funds through Freedx, then it's also possible to do that. Transfer, so that's obviously if you want to trade futures, you can transfer from your spot wallet to futures wallet. Trade history, I don't need to explain this one, I think. So that's how it looks like. So how to deposit? Super simple, guys. If you want to deposit, you hit the deposit either here or wallets, boom, deposit here. Then you have different methods. For Bitcoin, you obviously have your address or Unisat. So then you hit next and you create your address. You have all the requirements here, as you can see. So you will get your funds after 3 network confirmations. And yeah, that's basically that. There is also, you need to be aware, don't generate more than 10 addresses and then don't send to the old ones. If you generate new one, then, you know, send to the new one. That's basically a thing that you should know. So yeah, if you have any like coins or stable coins, if you want to deposit them, they have a wide variety here. Let's say you want to deposit your dog with hat, for example. You can do it through address, or you can do it through Phantom Wallet, which is very nice. I really like the touch. I haven't seen this anywhere else, so that's something that I really like. Same with Ethereum. You can, for example, deposit with your MetaMask or with your Trust Wallet or other wallets, and then you also have different networks. You have ERC, you have Arbitrum, and you have Base, which I haven't seen Base on many exchanges as well. So Freedx guys are definitely doing it really, really well here. Yes. Okay, what else? I can definitely show you how the whole section looks like when it comes to the whole market, right? They also have OTC. If you want to buy crypto through the exchange, it's possible too. So quick little thing here. You can get your quote and then you can purchase if you want to see. So let's say you want to buy 0.002 Bitcoin. It shows you what the current rate is, how much it will cost you, how much you will get, etc. So let's go to markets. You can check out all the listings here, all the pairs, as you can see, all the cryptos. They have the regular section like top gainers, top losers, highest volume. They also have their new listings. So we can go, for example, to Floki, right? And then it shows you the Floki to USDT pair. I really like that this is fully dark mode. I mean, you can change it also, but dark mode is better for your eyes. So yeah, they have all the indicators that you need. You know, all the trading views here, so everything is very transparent and trader friendly, user friendly overall. You can use your indicators and stuff. That's rather when you trade futures, but I mean, yeah, everyone does it differently. So yeah, you have your spot here. By the way, yeah, Floki is up nicely, 10% today, cool. So yeah, you can buy, you can sell, everything works as it should be working. You choose your size, how much USDT you want to spend, how much Floki you will get, it will be shown here. You see the recent trades, you can check out your trades here, you can see your orders and all of that. You can also sell or use DCA, which is buying crypto periodically. This is something that I really like. So let's say you want to buy daily or weekly or monthly. It's cool if you want to invest in different currencies, let's say, during multiple times. So let's say once every week you want to buy some Ethereum, once every week you want to buy some Bitcoin, and so on. You can set up the DCA and the whole order size, and it will buy for you, which is pretty cool. That's really nice. Honestly, again, something that I haven't seen before, I think, so it's good. Same with selling. Let's say you have a token that you invested into and it's up a good amount of money, but you don't want to sell everything at once. Let's say you want to first of all sell your seed money, you know, the money that you invested, and then later on sell other parts. You can do it here as well with the DCA, so that's really cool. Yeah, I haven't seen it before, so obviously I really like it. Convert, as I showed you, it's either through the dashboard or through here. You can convert your different cryptocurrencies like you would do on the spot, but this is like, you know, fully instant. You just do it here with one click of a button instead of, you know, choosing the sell order, you know, boom, boom, boom. You just do it instantly. Okay, that's the cool thing. You obviously have futures as well. You guys know how it is with futures. First of all, guys, be trained to trade futures, okay, because this is risky business here, but you probably know that. But yes, they do have futures, 100x leverage, so really cool. You can trade your BTC or other currencies, cross margin or isolated margin, also depends on your trading preferences. So yes, they do have that as well, guys, on different pairs, as you can see. Multiple pairs that you can trade here. I don't know whether I would be shorting anything now because everything is up nicely, but yeah, if you are experienced trader, then you can also utilize that to make some cash, you know. They also have the earn section here. They will be adding more into that as well. They have referral program, guys, which is really cool because let me just access my dashboard again. Really cool. They have 25% commission rate from inviting your friends. You can use the referral code and invite people to Freedx, which is nice. They do have affiliate program as well. That's more for influencers, or if you have like big fan base on social medias, right? You can promote them and you can get better commission rates, for example, so that's cool. They do have VIP also. We will get into the campaign, by the way, because that's 3.3 million, as I mentioned at the beginning, where you can trade and get rebates, smaller fees, and all of that with your VIP levels. So another cool thing, you know, I always like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I like when there is leveling system in anything, you know. It makes you wanna use the platform, you feel me? So on instance here, it makes you wanna trade here because you can, you know, get those better fees and all of that. So yeah, it's really advantageous. Same for the futures. It's really cool. On Diamond you have, for example, 0% fees if you are maker, or on Taker you have 0.03, which is really low. If you go and compare it to others, then that's really good. So yeah, let's move on into the campaign, guys. Let's move into the campaign. I want to give you some information about that as well. So there are rewards given to users who qualify and maintain activity, so you have to use the platform, obviously. The good thing is that you guys are super early to this. If you are seeing this video, I'm making this literally you know, 4th of August they started. This is like 7th now, so you probably see this on 8th or something like that. Super early to it, guys, honestly. So that's definitely advantageous because, you know, people who are early will have the advantage. So they have multiple stacked rewards. It's milestone based as well, so it's cool. You register your Freedx account, you complete your KYC, and then you trade either $500 in spot or $5,000 in futures within a 30-day window, so this is easy task. And then you stay active, meet the trading requirement within 24 hours to qualify for next milestones reward. So basically the way it works, you just trade on spot or on futures. So if you are a trader, if you trade on futures regularly, you might as well do it on Freedx and get yourself rewarded for doing that additionally, which is really nice. They also have those bonus rewards in addition to the cohort milestone rewards distributed to all qualified users. Each major milestone, so for example 100, 500, 1000 and so on, that specific user will be eligible for a lucky draw with prizes ranging from $100 to $1,000. So these are also very big prizes, and all of that on here, guys. New exchange, new campaign, you know, so that's definitely worth checking out. You have all the information how to join. I mean, it is kind of explained here. So you have those stacked rewards. The earlier you qualify, the more milestones you can earn from. So obviously the earlier you qualify, the more rewards you can get here, right, for your trades, because you can hit more milestones. The campaign runs until they reach 100,000 registered users. After that the reward pool closes. So they are new, so it might take a moment, but with this kind of campaign it will be sooner than later. So again, if you are early, it's good for you. So yeah, you just have to stay eligible within a 30-day window, guys. $500 spot or $5,000 futures, like easy peasy, I think. So yeah, you can also qualify again, but then you will not get your previous milestones. So yeah, it's good if you stay active. Essentially, it's good if you stay active. They have their blog as well. They have the about section, really cool, really cool. And here in the about section you have a fully transparent team, guys, and let's just take a moment to appreciate this fact, because, you know, it might not be as, you know, as simple as it looks like. Honestly, it's always great when we can see the team, when we can see the people behind the exchange, and also when we can verify each one of them, because they have their LinkedIns provided, so you can click log into your LinkedIn account and check out each single one of them. I have pulled up the CEO here, Jonathan. Jonathan has over 27 years of experience working in banking and fintech sector, so this honestly is a huge, and I mean a huge experience, and all of this experience is basically provided into Freedx. So this is great to see that we have an actual experienced people behind the exchange, you know. They know what they're doing, they want to make the innovation, they want to make it easy and accessible for everyone when it comes to the exchange, you know. So that's really great. And as you can see, he's posting actively about Freedx, because obviously he's the CEO. You can also see his experience and education if you are logged into LinkedIn, obviously. I have also pulled up some other team members, and as you can see, they are really educated. For example, Karim has finished University of Calgary. He's also from Binance and Amazon. He worked in Binance and Amazon. So yeah, also in fintech. And you can see what kind of experience these people have. You can see what kind of specializations they have. That it's a huge experience that again is being provided into Freedx. So it's great to see such a team here, highly educated team from all around the world, you know, providing the best possible services to us, to users, right? To traders, by traders, and by, you know, people that are from finance. So obviously they know what they're doing, and I just wanted to take a brief moment to also talk about that while we are at it. So big shout out to all the team members here. You guys are absolutely doing an amazing job. They also have their mission here, the mission that I was talking about earlier. So obviously they are working on security, they are working to be customer focused and to be innovative, which they absolutely are. That's what I was also talking about, that the exchange is really innovative, and this is great to see, guys. You have their vision, you can check out their vision, that they are also customer oriented, obviously technology driven and all of that. So that's definitely great and that's definitely worth appreciating. So again, big shout out to this team, guys. Then again, they have the blogs, and you can basically go ahead and check them out, guys. So if you want to also stay updated with Freedx, with what's happening within the exchange, with the campaign, I would recommend you to go and follow their social medias, follow their Twitter, and follow their Telegram channel, so you don't miss on anything that they will be posting and pushing. With that being said, guys, we are coming to an end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and let me guys know if you will be participating in this campaign. You know, you can literally get some cool rewards for trading here instead of your other exchange. So maybe it's worth considering, right? Let me know, guys, what you think. Subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed, like the video, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next ones.